Hello everybody, I'm Yammy. I'm a full-time YouTuber and I'd like to talk to you about paid promotions. As creators, we sometimes make money or get free stuff by promoting other brands in some of our videos. Ads, sponsorships, and partnerships are ways that we can help pay for the cost of making videos come to life, and are an exciting way for us to collaborate with brands that we're passionate about. It's super important for us as creators to be open and honest with our audience about these partnerships, with announcements at the top of our videos, like hashtag ad and hashtag sponsored in the description. I've worked with plenty of brands to bring sponsored content to my channel, enabling me to bring some of my favorite new games and projects to my audience. If you'd have told me 5 years ago that I'd be working with some of the biggest companies in the gaming industry, I wouldn't have believed you. It's always an honor to be acknowledged by a company that you admire when they come and approach you, but it's super important to follow the rules surrounding paid promotions. Whenever I post a sponsored video, I always make sure to follow my country's guidelines on advertising, making sure that I verbally announce at the start of a video that it's sponsored so that people can choose if they'd like to continue watching. I also include the relevant hashtags and disclaimers in the description. It's important for us as creators to be open and honest with our audience when we take on paid work to make sure that we're not misleading our viewers. Make sure that you're aware of these paid promotions and consider the incentives behind them.